Hi, sixth graders. Today's Thursday, March 31st, and today you are going to be learning about stars, and you're going to be making a stars poem about the sun, because we know that the sun is our closest star. So what you'll do from the agenda is you'll click on the stars notes first, and that will bring you to this page right here. What you will need is this blue notes sheet, and then you'll also need your notebook because you'll be writing your poem in your notebook. So the first thing you'll do is you will use the slideshow to fill in these blue notes. Now I'm going to ask, the slideshow, I did not make a screencast. I thought you could go through it on your own, at your own pace. However, there are videos embedded into this slideshow. So the expectation is that every time there's a video, you'll be watching it. So there's a video right here you'll need to watch. And then, sorry, if you keep going through, there's a video right here to watch. I think that might be it. Yep, so those are the videos that you'll watch, okay? Once you are finished with your notes, these will go on to page 30 of your notebook. Then on the very last slide of this slideshow, it talks about making an acrostic poem. So that type of poem is where you write the letters of something in a line like this going down the page. So on page 31 of your notebook, you'll write that. So you'll write the sun like it is on this slideshow here. Okay, then you're going to make a poem where you write like words that come out of each of those that have to do with the sun itself. And what you're trying to do is compare it to other stars. So what's its apparent magnitude, its absolute magnitude, its temperature, its size, etc. Okay, so any facts about the sun. Okay, the substitute will have an example if you get really stuck, but I would like you to try to do this on your own. Okay, you also should have a detailed or colored picture, a diagram that goes along with that. And so that is on page 31 of your notebook. All right, have a great day.